When it comes to improving comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, few upgrades rival new windows. However, even the best windows can fail to perform if they're installed incorrectly. For Worcester homeowners, where seasonal temperature swings and humidity can put pressure on window frames, avoiding common installation mistakes is key to ensuring lasting results. Below are some of the most frequent window installation errors and how to prevent them. Ignoring precise measurements. One of the most crucial steps in any window installation is measuring accurately. Homeowners sometimes assume that standard-sized windows will fit, but every opening can vary slightly, especially in older Worcester homes that have settled over time. Poor measurements can lead to gaps that invite drafts, leaks, and higher energy bills. How to avoid it? Always measure each opening in multiple places, top, middle, and bottom, and verify both width and height. If you're unsure, hire a professional installer who can ensure the exact fit. Skipping the removal of old frames and sills. It might seem faster to install new windows over old ones, but this shortcut can cause major long-term problems. Old frames often hide rot, mold, or structural damage that can compromise your new installation. Worcester's moisture-prone climate makes it especially important to inspect and replace deteriorated components. How to avoid it? Fully remove the old window, inspect the sill, and repair any signs of damage before setting the new unit. This ensures a clean, solid foundation for your replacement. Failing to check for level and plumb, even small misalignments can lead to operational issues, poor sealing, and premature wear. If a window isn't installed level and square, it might not open or close properly, or worse, could allow water infiltration during heavy Massachusetts rains. How to avoid it? Use a level and shims to ensure the window is perfectly aligned on all sides. Once installed, test the sash movement and locks before finalizing the trim. Using the wrong type of insulation. Some homeowners fill every visible gap with spray foam, thinking more insulation equals better efficiency. However, excessive or improper foam can expand and warp window frames, preventing smooth operation. How to avoid it? Use low expansion foam or backer rods specifically designed for window installations. Apply it evenly around the frame, then seal with caulk to prevent air leaks. Neglecting flashing and waterproofing. Worcester's mix of rain, snow, and ice means that waterproofing is not optional. Missing or incorrectly installed flashing can lead to water seepage that causes rot, mold, and even interior wall damage. How to avoid it? Always apply proper flashing tape around the sill and sides before setting the window. Then finish with high-quality exterior caulk that's rated for weather resistance. Overlooking local building codes and energy standards. Massachusetts has specific building codes regarding energy efficiency, window egress requirements, and materials used in certain zones. Ignoring these rules can lead to failed inspections or safety hazards. How to avoid it? Check Worcester's local building regulations or work with a licensed installer familiar with state codes. This ensures your project meets all legal and safety standards. Forgetting final inspection and maintenance. Once windows are installed, some homeowners assume the job is done. However, a proper inspection ensures everything functions as intended and remains weathertight. Over time, routine maintenance helps extend lifespan and performance. How to avoid it? Inspect new windows after installation for smooth operation, tight seals, and clean finishes. Schedule annual checkups, especially before winter, to catch any early signs of wear or damage. Final thoughts. New windows can dramatically enhance your Worcester home's comfort, appearance, and efficiency, but only if they're installed correctly. Avoiding these common mistakes saves you from costly repairs, energy loss, and frustration. For peace of mind and long-lasting results, consider hiring experienced local professionals who understand Worcester's unique weather conditions and housing styles. Proper installation isn't just about fitting glass into a frame, it's about protecting your investment and your home's future.